right, enjoy. Straight pipes. Once it's warm, that doesn't smoke too much. Safety first. Always safety first. There we go. Welcome to the Mercedes. This is Gary. All my trinkets, no cup holders, and let's roll. We go to the bank because in 1984 they were so happy to put smoking accessories everywhere. So each passenger door gets a smoke detector, ashtray, and there's multiple lighters everywhere, but there's no cup holders. You got cars coming? We'll just wait. We'll just have a wait. She's not real fast. She gets moving. It's not the slowest car probably out there, and it's probably not the fastest car. Well, we know it's not the fastest car. But hey, we're heading down to the bank to get the final check to pay off the land so we can build this house. We've been working hard. Got them all stuffed up. Like, you know when you wake up in the morning and all you do is blow your nose for the first hour and a half? What's that all about? Ooh, yes. We can go 45 now. I'm gonna floor it, but wait for the cop. There we go. Ready, this is Ford. There we go. Ford in the Mercedes. Because if you don't have a Mercedes, then fuck you. No, I'm kidding. These seats have big springs in them. So it's like whenever you go over a bump, it's the suspension does work, and then the springs in the seat do work. So it's like you get a double suspension, so it's very cloud-like riding in here. This is, of all the cars that I've ever driven, this probably has one of the, and I hate to say it, this probably has one of the nicer riding suspensions. Not like handling and going around curves is not like the great. It does have a lot of body lean, but I don't feel uncomfortable taking turns, especially RS turns, which we just went through, at full speed at 45 miles an hour. I mean, I have no problem taking this thing up to 70 and holding it there on the freeway with normal traffic. Just because it's from 1984 doesn't mean that it can't be a viable mean of transportation. Like, I got this thing almost 2.5 years ago, and I got it with 245,000 miles on it, and now I have 253. I haven't even hit 10,000 miles in 2 years, but I mean, I put almost like 8,000 miles on this thing in the past 2 years, and it runs runs like a top. It always starts. The only time it doesn't start is like when it's like really, really cold. Below 0 cold. It starts, it runs, it idles. Sometimes it runs better than my main vehicles. Turning into the bank. Oh, and the crew is all here. Turn signal off. Mercedes off. And you off. Gotta feed the beast. Got the metal card. $2.99 a gallon. You go over on the mainland, it's like 60 cents cheaper. But we live on the beach, so what are you gonna do? And it takes diesel so little green. You know why it's green? Because diesel's more efficient. $2.99 a gallon. Ridiculous. But good thing he only takes about 14 gallons. It's filling up. Everybody loves a diesel car, right? We're at $24, $25, 8.5 gallons. 40 bucks. All right, we clicked. $40 for 13.4 gallons. Get it. There, look at that fucking hole. Diesel going in it for 200 and some plus thousand. Gas cap.